In today's video, I'm talking all about this really awesome video transition. So let's get right into it. Hey, what's up? It's Chris from Brooker Films, and in today's video, I'm talking all about this phone pullback camera transition. So you have a video playing, there's one shot on screen, and all of a sudden the next shot comes in, the phone pulls back from the camera, and the old scene, the first shot, is in the screen of the phone. That's the transition that we're talking about today. So the really awesome thing with this effect is you don't need to do anything specific when you're filming the footage. You capture your first shot, you could be talking to camera, this could be a music video, this could be a travel vlog, this could be literally anything. Now, when it comes to the second shot, this is where you need to film something specific on the day. You're gonna start rolling the camera, and you're going to place your phone right up to the camera lens. You want to make this very close to the camera lens to the point that you can't see anything else within the screen. So you're going to roll the camera and 3, 2, 1, action. You're going to pull the phone back from the camera and you're going to go into your new shot. Now, once you've pulled the phone back, you can get rid of it. You can put it in your pocket. You can put it down. It doesn't really matter because we're in the new scene now and you can do whatever you like within this scene. So once you've got those two shots, you've got a shot of anything. It doesn't have to be anything specific. And you've got the shot of you pulling the phone back away from the camera lens. You're now ready to chuck this into Adobe After Effects and begin with the editing process. So first of all, you want to begin by cutting the very beginning of the clip of you pulling the camera away from the phone. So you should cut this clip at the very start just as the camera begins to pull away, but you also want to make sure that the phone is covering the entire screen as you make this cut. Now, once you've done this, you want to make sure that the first part of the transition, so that is your first video clip, not the phone pullback, you want to make sure that clip is on video layer 1. So we'll just swap these two around. And now from here, we're going to go into effects and presets on the very top right of After Effects, and we'll search for corner pin. Now drop corner pin onto that video clip, that is the first video clip. Now we'll scroll roughly 2 seconds into the video and we'll uncheck the eye, so we'll hide this layer from the view. And now selecting corner pin on that first video, you want to go ahead and change the upper left to the upper left of the phone, upper right to the upper right, lower left to the lower left, and lower right to the lower right. And as soon as you've done this, you just want to go ahead and create a brand new keyframe on all 4 of these settings. So you want to press the stopwatch on all 4, so you've got upper left, upper right, lower right. Now we'll go 1 second into the video. We'll click on the corner pin again and we'll just keep updating those settings for the entire duration of the video. So go through the entire duration of your video and keep changing the value of the upper left, upper right, lower left, and lower right of this video, making sure that it perfectly follows the movement of the phone. And now once you've successfully completed adding the corner pins throughout the entire duration of the video, if we play this footage back, you can see that the transition does work. But the problem is, it's not quite believable because there's no motion blur on the clip. So we're going to go into effects and presets and we're going to search for CC Force Motion Blur. Now we'll drag CC Force Motion Blur onto our original video clip. So that is the first video clip, the one that is on the phone, not the pullback clip. And in CC Force Motion Blur, we have a number next to Motion Blur Samples. If we pull this up to a higher number, it's going to be more blurry. And if we pull this down to 0, there'll be no motion blur whatsoever. So find a number that works for yourself, but I'm going to keep it set to 8 for now. Now, because of this motion blur, the position of some of those corner pins might be off a little bit. So go back into your video and update the positioning of all of these corner pins. And once you've successfully done that, that is the phone pullback transition now complete. And there you go. If you enjoyed watching this video, then please do let me know in that comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe, check out the previous video, and I will see you tomorrow for another brand new video. Thank you for watching.